Welcome, Brainers. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn any song into a perfect karaoke track using a completely free and super easy tool called Ultimate Vocal Remover, or UVR for short. It uses a powerful AI model called demucs to separate vocals from music. Demucs is originally backed by Facebook research, and it delivers clean, professional quality results you can always trust. All right, let's get started. The very first step is to download and install UVR from the official GitHub repository. I've included the link in the video description, so make sure to copy it from there to avoid downloading from unofficial sources. Please scroll down to the installation section and download the installer that matches your operating system. The installation is straightforward. Just follow the on-screen instructions. This is very important. Always install UVR on the C drive. While the installation is in progress, please note that UVR delivers impressive results. But since it is an AI-powered application, the file size is slightly larger. The installation and audio processing may also take a bit longer, especially on low-spec PCs, so please be patient. Once it's installed, launch the application. Next, click on Select Input and choose the song that you want to turn into karaoke. Then select the output folder where your process file will be saved. Also choose or change the output file format according to your needs. The next set of settings is very important, so please choose them exactly as I do. Under Process Method, select demucs. In the Stems dropdown, select Vocals. You can leave the segment setting as default. Next, choose the latest demucs model version from the dropdown. In this checkbox area, select Instrumental only. Keep in mind, Instrumental is simply the karaoke track we need. Once you are ready, go ahead and click Start Processing. This will run for a few minutes, depending on the length of your song, so please be patient. When the processing is complete, you should see a file with Instrumental added to its name in your output folder. Let's go ahead and check the results. First, let me play the original song.
Mira, no confundas el ritmo. Just because I'm dancing doesn't mean I'm yours.
I came to feel the beat, not your breath on my skin. I move how I want, not to let you in. This body's a tempo, not to get to right. So take a little step to the left, boy, bye.
And now, here's the karaoke track we just created. Perfect. It's exactly what I wanted, and it's much cleaner than many paid services and apps available on the market. I hope you found this helpful. Please give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.